Hello everyone, this is Average Consumer. Just a quick little video of short bits of previous video which I deleted, and I'm just making it into one little video just to show you or tell you about my experience with OnePlus, which by the way has been absolutely horrendous. So as you can see in here, the screen goes bad on the 13th of March. I get in contact with them on the 14th. I tell them what happened. They said, okay, no problem. We're going to email you a return postage to one of our service centers. We'll send it to them. They'll get it repaired and be back in 7 days. So not 7 working days, 7 days. So because of work commitments and so on, I couldn't send it back until the 22nd of March, which they got back. And the service center got the phone back on the 23rd of March, 9 a.m. in the morning, because it's all delivered through raw mail and they signed for it, so I know they have the phone. So from the 23rd until the 31st of March, they've had the phone. I've had nothing come back to me, no information, what's happening with the phone. It's been 9 days. So I've emailed them on the 1st, because it was Easter and then bank holiday, so on and so on. But in the meantime, I didn't have a phone to use. So I went and bought a phone online on Computer Exchange, CEX. The only reason I went online and bought it and not in the store is because they have a 14 days return policy if you buy the phone online. And they give you full refund. You can take it to any shop and they will refund you the full amount. But after 2-3 days of me having the phone's no good. So I've had the phone for like, I don't know, 3 days in total, I think it was. The battery's running out. I bought a OnePlus 9 Pro. Battery's not good. Cameras are not good. Absolutely disgusting, draining, everything you can think of was going wrong. Anyway, I went back, paid a little bit extra, and I told them I want the Google Pixel 7a. It's only going to be a short-term phone. I'll probably just keep it as a spare phone later on. To be honest with you, paid £132 extra. I bought the phone. Everything was good. So now this is where it all goes bad. From the 1st of April until the 9th of April, it's literally going back and forth. Where's my phone? What's going on? Your terms and conditions. The Consumer Act of 2015. We have every right to either request a full refund or we can get a replacement phone. So after going back and forth for so long, they had no idea what was happening to the phone. They didn't even know what was happening in terms of, was it repaired? Are they waiting for parts? I found them online. I gave them a ring. I spoke to a gentleman called David, and he said to me, yeah, hold on. Took my details, my ID number, and he said, yep, give me 5 minutes and I'll find out for you. Come back. We are just waiting on a battery from OnePlus. We have requested the battery numerous times, but as far as we know, it's not in stock anywhere. And so I said, okay, so has OnePlus been actually calling you and asking you, or you been telling them? Because we've sent them numerous requests regarding batteries, not to OnePlus, but the manufacturer where it comes from. And we are getting the stock in, and hopefully it should be in either tomorrow or in a couple of days, and we can send it out to you. I said, why, is there something wrong with the battery? He goes, no, our policy is that if we repair a screen, we are gonna insert a brand new battery. We don't send the phone back out with the same battery. So I said, okay, that's fine. So that means it should be done in a couple of days. They said yes. So I've then got off the phone, gone to OnePlus and said, look, your whole customer service team has been lying to me. There is no way that you have called the service center, because I've just called them. They have no knowledge of you calling and requesting information regarding the status of my repair, the update, nothing. So you've just made me go round in circles, get more and more angry with yourselves, and you've really not done nothing at all. And they said, no, we tried our best. It went to the highest position customer services, and they tried to resolve the issue straight away. Now, within this period of a few days, they've offered me £20 or €20 discount code, which I told them that was absolutely ridiculous. That was insulting, that was. So we've gone from 7 days the phone will be done to 20 plus days the phone should be done. So I told them regarding what the consumer law in the UK is, and I read it out to them, and I also read out their own terms and conditions, which clearly states in their terms and conditions 9.2, section 9.2 of faulty returns and exchange and replacement goods. So under that 9.2, it clearly states that if there's a fault or a repair is not done within a reasonable amount of time, I can ask for a replacement or a full refund. But I was still adamant that I wanted a replacement because I still wanted to use the phone, because as you can see in the video, I had bought the OnePlus watch. I went out my way and I found out regarding the pen, how to get the phone wireless charging. I even bought a case, bought extra pair of headphones. So I really got into that OnePlus ecosystem. So I said, you know what, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it all properly. But after spending so much money, I mean, these gloves look absolutely ridiculous. They came with the pen, by the way. But anyway, let's get back to the to this OnePlus horrendous customer service. So we got to the point where I had turned around and told them, look, I'm going to give you 48 hours to resolve this matter, or I am going to get the lawyers involved. I'm going to go to my local solicitor and I will get them to write you a letter, and I'll make them charge you, and I ain't going to pay nothing. I got email back within 20 minutes to say that, look, we're doing our best, blah blah blah. Various long, stupid and absolutely ridiculous sentences that they were coming out with. You know, we've sent it to the highest department, they have looked into it, we've not heard anything back, even though I just spoke to them on the phone and I told them where the position of the repair is, what they are waiting for, and why is it taking so long, and you have been lying to me regarding the repair. So I said to them, I don't want the phone no more. I want you to give me a refund. I don't want no replacement. I've literally just fallen out of having this phone. I just want just for my refund. And they sent me a email, I think it was 9 a.m. on the 15th of April, I think it was, on the 14th or the 15th of April, and saying to me that we are going to be sending you out a replacement regarding the terms and conditions, or the terms and conditions of OnePlus. We're going to send you out a replacement. So I thought, okay, at least this is coming to an end. I want to be getting a replacement, and you know, it's going to be the end of this conversation, and that's it, we're done. But then in the same email, they also said to me that they're retracting the £20 voucher, as they are sending me a replacement. So I've gone back to them and said, look, I'm not going to even waste my breath regarding this, your retractions and so on and so on. I am not the only person that has gone through this. There's loads of people that have gone through this, and you have offered some €50 on Reddit. I've seen someone offered 100 on even the OnePlus community page. You've offered someone £100 because of how long it's taken for the repair to get done. I even been speaking to a customer who's in Italy, a customer of OnePlus in Italy. He's been waiting since December for his phone to be sent back to him. Since December. We are in April. I literally messaged him telling him that this is the so I've had to do all this pushing, email back and forth, phone calls back and forth, and pushing OnePlus to get my phone back. and they are actually sending me a replacement. And he was shocked. He goes, I've been asking and asking and asking, just send me a replacement or give me a refund, but they haven't done nothing. I go, look, you need to get, you need to put into your emails regarding that you're going to be involving the lawyers, because they ain't going to sort nothing out until you don't do that. And I advise him to do that. Anyway, I've got an email back saying that we've sent out the phone and you should receive your replacement phone within 24 hours, next day delivery. So I've gone online, I've had a look at my account, because it said here's the order number. You can go into your account, you can have a look there, it's been sent out. I've gone online, had a look, yep, it's been sent out. They sent me a Royal Mail track and trace for next day delivery reference number. So I've gone online, gone to Royal Mail, checked online, and yes, they have sent it out, and Royal Mail is going to be picking it up very soon. About an hour, I got a notification to say that, okay, the parcel has been picked up and will be delivered tomorrow between 7 and whatever it was, 12 I think it is. 9 and 12, sorry, not 7. 9 and 12, that's the 24-hour cut-off period for them, for Royal Mail. So, yeah, it was delivered on the 16th. Today's the 17th. And I opened the box, and to my surprise, it was a brand new phone, sealed in the box. It has not been opened. I was expecting a replacement device, so a refurb, or I don't know, not a brand new one in the box. So it's brand new. It's got all the accessories in there, the charging cable, the whole lot, the cover, and I've not had to pay anything extra for the phone. As you can see, I bought the watch to use with the phone, headphones, the whole lot. And to be honest with you, I've gone off it now. I haven't even opened the phone. I've left it in the box. It's sealed. It's going to be going on sale. Probably going to sell it for between £1,200 to £1,300. If anybody's interested, let me know. Yeah, but I'm not looking to keep this phone any longer. Really bad experience. I probably may keep the watch to use with my new phone. Probably I might go for the Google Pixel 8 Pro in blue. Why not? But won't be ever buying OnePlus phones ever again. Definitely not. But yeah, this is just a quick little video regarding my experience with OnePlus and their customer service. So be very, very cautious in purchasing anything from OnePlus. There's many people out there that are very happy with their purchases, but for myself, my own experience with OnePlus, it was not good. And I hope you have a better experience. So this is this is how it came, fully boxed. Not expecting to be a brand new phone in a box sealed, just expecting a brown box inside this brown box. But yeah, I was really surprised that it had come the way it did, and I think it only came like this because of the amount of times I had to pursue them on a daily basis after the 7 days. So I left it for that whole 7 days, not including the bank holiday. So in total, probably about 9 days. But yeah, they did send me this phone. Credit to whoever got this done, and how they got this done, I don't know. But they sent a sealed box phone to me, and like I said, I won't be opening it. I'm going to sell it as it is now. So whoever registers the phone will get the full 2-year warranty, and let somebody else enjoy this, and I'll stick to my Pixel 7a for the meantime, and get a Pixel 8 Pro, a blue color one, and probably just stick to that now and not bother with no flippy flappy phones.